Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webpack Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to mail merge from Excel, Word to Outlook. Okay, I will show you how I can do the mail merge. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Excel first, and yeah. So you have to just open your Excel and you just make the format that you want in your mail format. So I just make my format name, bill amount, due date, and email ID. So in this email I want to send the mail, and this is the some uh, categories, or you can say the content I want to include my email body. So I will show you how I can do this. So you need for that Word documents. Okay, you have to just save it. First you have to save it Excel in your folder, any folder. Now go to the yeah go to the Microsoft Word, and here go to the mailings. Under the mailings, start the mail merge and go to the email message and type the format that you want. So I just type format dear, and I have to select the from here that Excel sheet. Go to the use an existing list and find out the Excel sheet which we have saved in. Okay, so this is Excel sheet I just saved. Just click on it. Now uh, if you have Excel sheet multiple sheets, you can select the sheet that you have, you know all data. So I have only one sheet, so I just select this and just click on it. Now in insert merge, we'll see the all header that you have in Excel. I will show you. You can see I have 4 header, and in now I got this 4 header in my Word file. So I just make one by one. I will put them one by one in my email body. So dear, uh, I just give the comma, and I want here name. So I just go to the name only. Under comma, your bill amount. Now I want to put in bill amount due on. I want to put the due date. Okay, so thanks and regards. So I have just done everything. This is email ID where I want to put. I will show you. So now just go to the finish and merge and go to the send email messages, and here you have to select the email IDs, because under the email ID I have all email ID you can see. Okay, so after that you can make the subject line you bill amount need to. Okay, amount need to pay. Keep it mail HTML format, you can change if you want HTML format, and keep it for send all record, or you can choose as per requirement and just click on OK. Now your mail will be sent one by one, you can see. Now if you go to the Outlook, you will see this mail has been sent to the selected, has been sending, you can see. Okay, so if you have a multiple mailbox in your Outlook, you can set the default mailbox. So I just select this one. You can select the default mailbox to send the mail merge. How you can do this? Go to the files and go to the account setting here. Click on account setting here again. Then this top-up window will come. Now you can see I have 2 email ID, which is Gmail and Hotmail. So just select the mail that you want to send the mail and click and set default, so it will be set default. Okay, and another setting you have to do that, go to the option and find out the mail here and just scroll down and find out the default mail sent. Always use the default account when you compose the new message. Okay, in under the set under the same message you have to click on this and just OK it. So this two setting you have to make to change the default setting while merge mail merge. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.